What's up everybody, so welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm pretty excited to do a review on this. Okay, so this is a new game handles. Let me wait. This is from Basis, yes, as you can see it. So these handles look like the real grenades, okay? As you can see from the box, you use these two grenades to grip on your phone, and then you can play the games easily. So for sure, these grenades game handles are designed for like PUBG, Rule of Survival, and especially the Fortnite. Okay, this kind of games. I'm not sure if you have other kinds of games. Okay. In today's video, what I'm going to do is, first of all, to unbox this two grenades, okay? Second of all, I'm going to do a video game testing to see how convenient it is with and without these two handles. Last but not least, I'm going to show you guys how to set them up on your smartphone. Otherwise, you cannot use it to play the games. Okay, so without further delay, let's get into this. Okay, so now let's open the box. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so this is the menu. Then let's take a look at the handles. Okay, look at this, guys. This is another one. This is another one. Very 9 kills, guys. Look at this, 9 kills. It's very easy, guys, so as you can see, it's pretty convenient. Okay, easy with this. Wow, 10 kills. Dom. Okay, so it's time to set up, guys. So how to use this? So first of all, you have to, of course you need to launch the game. Okay, next is go to setting, and then you go to control. Where is control? Here is control. And then you go to, not sure if you can see it, customize. Customize. This is where you need to set up, because when you put this thing on your phone, make sure that it's like this, because you see this one can hold your phone, okay, and then you can grip the phone, okay, easily, firmly. So make sure that you move this. This is the shooting button, so you have to move it up there. It's up to you guys, and or you want to use this, move this up here, or you want to set the you want to change the guns or the weapons. But for me, I put the shooting button up here and this one right over here. Okay, so it's easy because when I add this, it's easy to adjust. Okay, zoom in, zoom out. On the right trigger is the shooting control. Okay, it's pretty amazing, right? Yes, it's pretty simple, easy. As you can see at the moment, I have killed 11 enemies. Okay, with the help of these new handles.
Okay, so now let's talk about my impression on these two grenade handles. Apart from the good points, as you can see, these two handles can help me to play game more professionally. Let's say I can kill more enemies in the game. However, there is one bad or negative point regarding these two handles. The problem is the handles might be slippery because of the screen of the phone. So the handle seems like to easily slide away from to the other side of the screen. So for my suggestion, do not hold your phone or the handles tightly. Otherwise, the grip might slide away a bit away from the actual setup that you already did in the setting. Okay, so that should be all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feedback, or recommendation regarding new handles, please let me know in the comment down below. Thank you.